This video explains what a range is. In simple terms, a range is a group of cells in a spreadsheet that are treated as one unit. Actions and calculations are often applied to the range as a whole. Ranges exist because many spreadsheet tasks involve more than one cell. Totals, averages, charts, and formatting are usually applied to a group of cells at the same time. A range is not the same as a single cell. It is not the same as the entire worksheet, and it is not a chart created from data. A range is a group of cells that are selected together. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when multiple cells are selected together. You usually see a range when a block of cells is selected for a total, an average, or formatting. It may contain monthly expenses, grades, or other grouped data. The range is identified by the addresses of its first and last cells. This diagram organizes the idea of a range. Use it as a reference if needed. When multiple cells are treated as one unit for calculation or formatting, that is a range.